Hello, I want to introduce you to Control Your Portfolio, which is an administration program that has been designed to make it easy for you to maintain your portfolio and save you money at the same time. It is available for both Mac and Windows operating systems. It does not replace your accountant, financial advisor, or your broker. It will save you money because you, not your accountant, will log your various financial transactions. At the end of the financial year, various financial reports will summarize all of your investing for the year. There is an option available where these reports can be saved and emailed in Excel format. This program features several modules: a calendar, an investments module. The features of this investment module are to control shares, manage funds, term deposits, and bonds. There is also a Cashbook module, a rental property module, and a contacts module, which is provided to assist you to keep control of your contacts. Birth dates and the annual reminder dates feed through to the calendar, which is the home page, in a similar way to the financial dates such as dividend due dates. There's a personal preferences and personal products section where not only can you nominate your preferences, but you can also store your serial numbers and passwords for various websites, etc. You'll find this most useful because you'll keep all of your data in one place. The days of forgetting passwords and unable to find serial numbers for products will be gone. I'll now give you a brief introduction into the investments module, starting with shares. In the investments module, you can always access the investment areas of shares, managed funds, term deposits, and bonds by clicking on a tab. The shares section controls all buys, sells, and dividend payments for shares. Note that dividend due dates display on the calendar. You will see the March 1st, 2012 dividend due displayed on the calendar screen in a few moments. The list section at the base shows the purchase transactions. Note that a sale has been recorded on the reference 843 line. The quantity still held is shown as 1,500 of the original purchase of 2,000. Click on the Shares Transaction tab, which would allow you to see the actual sale transaction. Next is the Managed Funds section. Managed Funds section controls investments made in funds and allows for up to 4 dividend dates that will be displayed on the calendar. You'll see that there is the similarity between each of the investment main screens. They all work the same way. In a few moments I'll show you how to navigate and enter data. Next is the Term Deposit section. The Term Deposit section, cash investments and mature dates are displayed on the calendar. Next is the Bonds section, where government, bank and corporate bonds are controlled, with up to 4 dividend due dates displaying on the calendar. Talking of calendar, I'll show you now a typical calendar day. The calendar is the home page to which financial reminders such as dividend due dates are posted. It is provided as a useful tool to control your appointments, to-do lists, schedules, and display financial reminders such as when dividends are due or when an investment such as a term deposit matures. Note the financial reminder section showing a dividend is due for BHP. I'll now show you a Cashbook account page. The Cashbook module has an easy format and powerful reporting system to suit individuals and small businesses. Try the free download for yourself and you will discover how easy accounting can be. You can have as many accounts and categories as you wish. Shown here are 15 of 26 expense categories that I have created. Note the APT accountant, APT legal, APT etc. items. These will apply to a rental property. If you have more than one rental property, by creating expense items for each property using a name tag, like I've used here APT, you will find it very easy to keep track of your expenses on individual properties. The same applies to income categories. On this property screen you can see where the Cashbook income and expense categories are entered. The property module works in conjunction with the Cashbook to provide a total control and view of your investment or investments. Income and expense transactions via the Cashbook account can be used to provide a total situation report. This module can handle an unlimited number of properties. If you'd like more details or the opportunity to download and try a free 30-day demonstration, please visit our website www.cashbook.com. controlyourportfolio.com. I'll now give you a brief introduction to the controls to make Control Your Portfolio actually work. At the top of each screen, these buttons allow you to choose only the modules which you wish to go to. At the moment I'm on the investment module, and I suspect that's where most users will spend their time. Within this module I can go between shares, managed funds, term deposit, bonds by just selecting any of these tabs. At the bottom of the screen I have buttons which allow me to control anything which goes on within this screen. New means to enter new data, find is to locate another record, edit is obviously to change any details, delete is to get rid of it altogether, update allows me to do a manual update for the last sale price, import prices allows me to use an Excel format to import prices and update all the share prices. So within this screen, down the bottom we can see the share purchases, and this was shown on the slide presentation. We can see on this line here that 500 shares must have been sold, so by clicking on the share sale transactions tab we can see where that occurred. A new share purchase and a new share sale works the same way, so let's try selling some more. So go to a new share sale and I will select this line here because I want to sell the earlier ones first. I can choose any of them, just notice, but for today I want to choose this one. I'm going to sell this one. And at the top I can see I've got 2,000 I bought, I've got 1,500 the program would let me sell. So by clicking on the new button, it's entering in a new sale. I don't have to accept the date that's put in. I can delete that, and by using the calendar button I can go back and I can put in whatever date I like. Let's say we sell 750 now, and let's say they were really good price in the market, 95.45. Notice how I'm tabbing through the various fields. You must go down and finish all these to allow the program to make calculations for you. So as soon as I entered the price, the sales subtotal was automatically calculated. The brokerage comes through from what you select in your personal preferences. I've selected a variable amount. The GST or VAT or whichever tax is whatever country you're in, for example in Canada they use HST, will all add up to the bottom. At the very bottom of the screen nothing happens until I click either cancel to go back to where we were with, or to click OK to save. You cannot go out of this screen until you select one of those two buttons. So cancel just puts you back where you were and doesn't save anything. The OK button processes the sale. So now we have 1,750 left. The last sale price was our $45.95. On the share sale transactions we can see the last line as sale there. So every screen in this program works exactly the same way. Rather than delete a share, what is a good idea is to change this activity from active into closed. I'll go to edit the record. If I go to this button here, I can select closed. Now the program won't let me do it because the share's on hold, but by putting that closed means you'll be able to keep the history of any share that you've had, even if you've had it 10 years time. You'll be able to look back and see the dividends and the share transactions that went on. So I would recommend to you to close an account rather than delete it altogether. And just briefly I'll take you to a let's say a term deposit and show how find works. You'll be given a list. The list actually goes right to the bottom of the page, but I can reduce the size of it so you can see what's at the bottom. I can close the window to go to a blank entry screen, or I can click on one of these arrows and go to that record. And really, every page works exactly the same way. There are more videos available to be seen on the website, and I would encourage you to look at those. www.controlyourportfolio.com. I do hope you'll download a demo and try it. Thank you.